Hey ladies, I'm Eden. I'm a certified fitter here with the Breast Form store, and I wanted to talk to you about one of our favorite products, Divine Collection's Hera Ultimate Self-Adhering Breast Forms. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with these beautiful breast forms since we first introduced them. They've been very, very exciting because it's the perfect hybrid of a realistic feeling medical style prosthetic like Gold Seal or Amelux, and the realistic show-off style of breast forms like Real Breast or Aphrodite. So Hera is this beautiful hybrid of something that feels really realistic, but looks really realistic as well. And they are just gorgeous. Now, Hera has been very, very popular since we first introduced them. They are very much the Rolls Royce of breast forms. And we have decided and have been working with Divine Collection to keep the most popular options in stock, ready to ship. So we have the entire size range available in the most common skin tone color, nipple color, and customization options. So Hera is something that you can really fine tune, and it's simply spectacular. So let's go through a little bit of an unboxing so you can see what they're like. So of course it will come in a plain brown box, but Divine Collection's Hera comes in this beautiful storage box. You can tell it's a Divine Collection product by this lovely girl with the rose, just gorgeous. And as we open up the box here, inside the box is a full set of instructions so you know exactly what to do. There will be a piece of paper documenting from the artists what was crafted, as well as just some bubble wrap, keep it safe. Underneath the cradle inside the box here will also be your care kit. So inside this care kit you are going to have Stay Dry, which is a great sweat barrier spray, breast form wash, keep your forms clean, and some skin tack wipes, which will just give you a little bit of extra hold if you need it. Not every girl needs it, but they give you all the options just in case you do. Now, this here is what the Hera breast forms look like. So this is exactly what they're like. So this particular size here, this is I believe it's a size, yeah, it's a size 6. So this is about, say, going from memory, I want to say this is about a 40C as in cat. Might be a 40D as in dog. Double check your fitting chart. Always double check your fitting chart. But this is what the vanilla skin tone looks like. So if you are a similar skin tone color to me, you can see that the vanilla is a very, very close color. If you're a little bit paler than me, you would want to go with a color called French vanilla. It's new and it's a lighter skin tone. There is also caramel and chocolate, which are deeper skin tone colors. Now, this is the most popular. This is vanilla, and this is what we have in stock. This is the standard cinnamon nipple. It is designed just as a natural, everyday nipple. It's not super erect. If you want something a little bit more eye-catching, you can always use an attachable nipple on top of it to give it a little bit more protrusion for the times that you want to show a little bit more. Now, I'm just going to take them off the cradle here real quick. Now, it is something that as we hold it up here, take a look at this. It is really soft. It's got a lot of squish to it. It's got some bounce and some jiggle. Look at that go. And it is something that is very self-adhering, just like the Jolie, just like Aphrodite, just like Athena and Venus. It's got a natural stick, so it's now just right there. No adhesive needed, just ready to go. You can use adhesive if you want, especially if you want to have an extended hold, but it's also not something that's necessary. Now, in the breast form itself is, beyond the cinnamon standard nipple, is customization. Now, this is a new feature with Divine Collection called their custom skin. And this is the most common option. So we've gone with the most common option for the ones we keep in stock. So this is the realistic skin texturing along with light freckles and light veins. You can see the veins running in through here. They're very subtle. They're just there to give it a little bit more of a realistic appearance without being over the top or dramatic. So it's not meant to be, you know, overly powering. It is a very flattering option that looks good on really all body types and all skin types. So that is it's called a G in their customization package. So the light freckles and light veins. And this is what we have in stock, ready to go at any given time, is this exact combination. Now it is something that, as you can see, really lifelike, really squishy, really spectacular. It's something you can even wear with a push-up bra. It's a very, very versatile, wonderful breast form. Now, if you go through the process of taking a look and decide that no, you want to make some changes, the regular Heras that are fully customizable are of course still available. This is just an additional thing we've brought in to make things a little bit easier for girls who are in a bit of a rush and, you know, maybe might be overwhelmed by all the options. But if you want to choose a different nipple color, nipple size, different skin tone, or maybe you want more veins or less veins or no veins, you have all of those options still available with the regular Hera breast forms. So it is definitely something that is super exciting to offer. And just a reminder, since we're here on YouTube, there is always the coupon code YouTube that you can use when you are placing an order with the breastformstore.com. That'll take $20 off your order. So make sure to take a look at the Heras. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to help.